Nicola dribble the ball pass to number 2, Ina to Rayola. Jersey number 3. Second personal foul. 30 foul para sa mga Naklase ang dribble the ball. Ina. Ina sa naman sa lalo. Pakinggan. Ikaw ay number 4. Number 4 ang sa ikamangla. Namangla. Puro sa kapag. All committed by jersey number 0. First throw is good.
Ben, perimeter. Perimeter, tira sa perimeter.
Rebound by number 4. Number 4, number 1. Official score 17-7. 6.3 jump right back. That's after dribble the ball. Number 2. Dribble the ball. Committed by jersey number 12. First personal foul. And warning for penalty. Inasa the line. That one is no good. Make a throw is good. Number 1, to Kamanglang. Kamanglang to the ball. No good. Number 12, takes the ball, pass to number 4. Number 1. Takes the ball. Pick to shoot. Number 12. To number 4, step to shoot. You think it's one hand for 2. Big time count. One and healthy time left. Attack the basket. Aking plan. Take ball. Start the middle of the court. That's not your hand. Solid speed. That's good again. That's good speed. Slowly. Ball. Beauty,